Hello everyone, I'm Nasya Kamila.
Aku Viko Adeswara Ramazano.
I'm Renganis Lumanafi Astuti. And I'm Sofa. And we are from Group 2. And we would like to interview some foreigner here to fulfill consecutive interpreting final examination. Wait for it.
My name is Robert and I come from Holland.
Dan kalian dari Belanda. Oke, apakah
My parents,
iya?
they are from Bandung,
Orang tuanya dari Bandung.
but they went to Holland 1950 after the war.
Orang tuanya pergi ke Holland, Belanda waktu setelah perang. Oke. Jadi apakah ini kali pertama Anda datang ke Indonesia? Is it your first time come here in Indonesia?
No. The first time was 2016.
Bukan yang pertama kali karena terakhir datang ke Indonesia itu 2016. Oke. Apa tujuan Anda datang ke Indonesia? For now, what is your purpose to come in Indonesia?
Usually I come 2 times a year, 2 months. Only visiting friends. And you know Pandu Memorial Center?
I think we know.
Pandu Memorial Center is where they buried a lot of Dutch people who were killed during the war. Yes, and also my grandmother is also there, so I always come to visit her.
Katanya kesini untuk berkunjung biasanya 1 sampai 2 kali setahun gitu untuk berkunjung ke teman-temannya, terus buat mengunjungi orang tuanya juga. Lalu bagaimana kesan pertama Anda di Indonesia? What is your first impression in here in Indonesia?
I like it, that's why I come a lot.
Katanya suka banget, makanya sering banget datang ke Indonesia. Sudah berapa lama Anda berada di Indonesia? For how long you've been living here in Indonesia?
No, I was born in Holland.
Oh yes.
My parents went to Holland 1950. I am born in 1952, so now I'm retired police officer.
Oh.
Okay?
Katanya waktu tahun 1940 kan dia lahir di Belanda, terus datang lagi ke Indonesia, terus udah pensiun jadi polisi. Lalu apakah ada kota lain yang pernah Anda kunjungi selain Bandung? Is there any city that you've been visiting except Bandung?
Yes, okay. You start in Jakarta, right? Then I went to Depok.
Yes.
I went to Surabaya, Cibubur, Yogyakarta, Bali, of course.
Katanya pastinya pertama kali datangnya ke Jakarta, terus ke Depok, ke Cibubur, ke Surabaya, ke Jogja juga. Lalu
So Monday I go to Surabaya again.
terus besok Senin mau pergi ke Surabaya lagi. Oke. Lalu apa makanan Indonesia yang pernah Anda coba? What food that you've been trying in Indonesia?
Everything.
Semuanya. Semuanya. Oke. Sejauh ini kalau makanan kesukaan di Indonesia itu apa? So far, what is your favorite Indonesian food?
Food. I don't have special. I try everything.
Katanya nggak ada kesukaannya karena dia nyobanya semua makanannya.
I work as a security officer at the University Utrecht in Holland, 10 years.
As
Security officer University Utrecht.
katanya jadi satpam di universitas. Oke, pertanyaan terakhir, apakah ada tips buat turis lain yang mau berkunjung ke Indonesia? For the last question, is there any tips for new tourists who will come to Indonesia?
A tip?
Yes, tips.
Well, I invite all my friends to come to Indonesia.
Apa undang semua teman buat datang ke Indonesia? Oke, mungkin sekian dari pertanyaan dari kami. Terima kasih. I think that's all from us. Thank you so much for your time.
When I was at the university, I met a lot of students from Indonesia also.
Katanya waktu di universitas ketemu banyak ini mahasiswa dari Indonesia.
And some I met also here in Indonesia.
Dan bahkan ketemu juga di sini di Indonesia.
And on Facebook. Don't forget. Okay?
Thank you so
Okay, welcome.
much, sir. Hi everyone. Today is our second day to interview some foreigners in Braga. So, let's go. Let's go.
Pertama-tama mungkin dimulai dari Dari nama sama negaranya dari mana?
Okay, first of all, maybe you can introduce yourself and where are you from?
I am from Saudi Arabia.
And
I am not speak English good. I am later English.
yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Dia bilang dia nggak bisa bahasa Inggris dengan lancar.
Apakah ini pertama kali ke Indonesia?
Is it your first time coming to Indonesia?
Yeah, I come. Only only 1 year I come here. Everything.
Iya, itu kali pertama dia datang ke Indonesia. Cuma setahun dia di sini, datang ke sini.
Apa tujuan Anda datang ke Indonesia? Apakah untuk bisnis atau liburan?
So, what purpose are you coming to Indonesia? Is it for holiday or business?
Yeah, I holiday and business.
Buat holiday dan juga bisnis. Pastinya.
Bagaimana kesan pertama Anda datang ke Indonesia, terutama ke Bandung?
So, what is your first impression come to Indonesia?
Yes.
What is your first impression?
Only I go Jakarta and Bandung and Surabaya. Yeah.
Kayak dia bilang dia datang ke Jakarta, Bandung, dan juga Surabaya.
Mungkin pertanyaan terakhir, apa tips buat turis lain yang mau datang ke Indonesia?
Okay, maybe this is the last question. Do you have any tips for tourists who come to Indonesia?
Yes.
Tips? Maybe you can give tips? Like advice?
I don't know this.
Okay.
I don't understand this ask.
Okay, dia bilang dia nggak ngerti.
Mungkin ini deh makanan favorit selama di Indonesia.
Maybe for the last question, what is your favorite food in Indonesia?
Everything.
Dia bilang semuanya. Okay, thank you so much
Okay.
having us.
Pertama, boleh tahu dari negara mana?
So, where are you from?
Scotland.
Scotland.
Yeah.
So, dari Skotlandia.
Scotland, ya. Apakah ini kali pertama datang ke Indonesia?
So, is it your first time coming to Indonesia?
Yeah, it's the first time. We only came 2 days ago, so first time.
Ini pertama kalinya dan baru 2 hari.
Terus tujuan datang ke Indonesia apa sih?
So, what is purpose to coming to Indonesia? Is it for business or traveling? Just trip.
Travel.
Jadi buat liburan.
Liburan. Apa yang membuat Anda memilih Indonesia?
So, what is reason do you guys choose Indonesia as your destination?
The weather, for one, and just nice places.
Oh.
And we've never been to Asia before, so we looked it up and we thought this would be nice. Yeah.
Jadi tempatnya bagus-bagus, terus pertama kali juga gitu.
Oh, apakah udah pernah nyobain makanan di Indonesia? Makanan Indonesia?
So, have you ever try some Indonesian food?
Have we?
Not really.
Not yet. Not really. Not really.
Belum.
Belum.
Not before coming here anyway.
Yeah.
Oh. Karena masih baru juga tiba di sini.
Oh. Apakah pernah datang ke kota lain selain kota Bandung?
So, have you coming to other city in Indonesia beside Bandung?
We were in Jakarta before this, and we came here today, and we're going to Yogyakarta,
Oh.
and then Bali as well, and Karimunjawa Islands.
Jadi udah ke Jakarta, terus ke Bali, ke Karimunjawa, Jogja juga.
Oh. Oke, untuk yang terakhir, ada nggak sih tips untuk turis-turis lain datang ke Indonesia?
So, is there any tips for other tourists who will come to Indonesia?
Oh, what do you think? Do lots of research.
There's so much to see, so you
Yes.
want to see everything.
See everything. Go all over the place.
Oh,
Yeah.
Probably plan well so that you can see everything that you want to see.
Jadi rencanain yang baik gitu, karena banyak tempat yang harus dilihat gitu, dituju. Terus juga ya lakuin perencanaan yang baik lah sebelum.
Ya cuman itu saja. Terima kasih.
So that's all for us.
Thank you very much.
very much.
Thank you. Would you like will we get a photo?
Oh
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
So that's all from us. Thank you for watching our video and
Bye bye.